boom cracker, boomer, boomer, boom cracker. Hey guys, it's Liv here. So, I wondered if you liked my new dress. I just got it from the H&M store. It's at the Forum in Carlsbad. And I stopped for all my stuff there. And my sister likes, my little sister, and my little sister loves their clothes because they're so cute. And like, I saw this shirt that I was gonna buy for her like a week ago, and it says, so the cat said, "Come, wanna hug?" And then these birds said, "Forget it." And that's like rude to say too. Like, it was a kitten, and that's rude to say too. Like, a kitten just wants a hug. Yeah, like, I wanna hug you. Like, all the people who subscribe to me. I have 2 subscribers, so I'm so excited. And Grumpy Cat and LPS News Girl Pro are my favorite YouTubers. And there's this LPS News Girl Pro that copied the other one, but the other one is really good. Not the stupid LPS News Girl Pro, but I like the one like real LPS News Girl Pro because she was on, and I was like a lot of videos. Not like a lot. It's like a few that I posted over the month. And yeah. And like that shirt like rude. So yeah.